Windows has several outstanding features, one of which is the ability to download updates automatically. This allows you to have the latest version of the software, which helps improve the overall performance and security of the computer. Sometimes, though, an error can occur while trying to check for an update. In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to fix the Windows Update services not running. First, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter tool. Windows has a built-in tool that makes it easy to diagnose and fix certain Windows 10 related issues. You should use this tool first and see if it can fix the problem. To do this, click on the Start button. This is located on the lower left side of the screen. Click on Settings. This will open a settings window. Then, click on Update and Security. This is usually the last choice on the lower right side of the settings window. Click on Troubleshoot. This is located on the left pane. Click on Windows Update. This is located on the right pane under the Get Up and Running section. Click on Run the Troubleshooter. This will find the cause of the problem and fix it. You might have to perform some tasks as suggested by the Troubleshooter tool. Once the troubleshooting tool has finished its task, it should check if the Windows Update service is not running. Issues still occurs. Next, clear the Windows Update history. Windows 10 stores the downloaded updates in the software distribution folder of your computer. If the files in this folder are corrupted, then this might be what's causing the problem. To fix this, you will need to delete the contents of this folder. To do this, type services.msc in the search box and click OK. Find the Windows Update service, then right-click on it and click Stop. Then, open Windows Explorer and navigate to see Windows folder. Find and delete the software distribution folder. Then, go back to the Services window, then start the Windows Update service. Then, restart the computer, then check if the issue still occurs. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell.